Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Today we are going to practice back bending, and I am sure you feel here have some new posture. All posture is same but little different. Just we try to going more advanced posture only. Okay. So if some posture I can't do, it's not matter I can do or not, but you try your best, okay? And I try to give my best. So we can start here. Sit in any comfortable position. If you can make lotus posture, then sit in lotus posture. Inhale, lift your arms up, interlock your fingers, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand, head down. Inhale, lift your arms up, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand, head down. Inhale, lift your arms up, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand, head down. Inhale, lift your arms up, stretch up, look up. Exhale, relax your hand, head down. Last time, inhale, lift your arms up, stretch up, look up. Body and arms in one line, maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Use your hip and go forward. Body and arms in one line, spine straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go more forward. Interlock your finger backside. Rotate your wrist and stretch your arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Lift your arms up to shoulder level and go left side stretching. Exhale, look up. Body and arms in one line. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Last time, left side stretching. Look up, maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Twist your abdomen, left side. Exhale. Shoulder try to in one line if possible. Then catch your left toes or right thighs through the left hand. Drop your right palm on your left knee. Twist, look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Twist maximum. You can catch your toes. Then look back. Shoulder try to in one line. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Twist maximum. Inhale, center. Exhale, other side. Twist maximum. Inhale, center. Last time, left side twist as much as possible and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center, exhale, other side, twist as much as possible. Try to shoulder in one line and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center, exhale, relax your hand, relax your leg, joint your feet and butterfly. Your knee try to touch the floor. Spine should be straight. Use your hip, your belly, try to rest on your leg. Exhale, go forward, look forward. Inhale, center, exhale, go forward, belly, rest on your leg. Inhale, center, last time, exhale, go forward. You can open your arms forward side also. You can interlock your finger back side also. Rotate your wrist, stretch your arms and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come center, relax your hand. First, lie down, back side. Lie down back side in simple way. Bend your both knee. Drop your palm beside your heel. Inhale, lift your hip up. Hip try to up maximum. Exhale, relax your buttocks. Inhale, lift your hip up. Adjust your shoulder and try to hip up more. Try to hip up more. Exhale, relax your buttocks. Now catch your ankle and now try to hip up maximum. Your chin try to touch your chest. Inhale, adjust your shoulder, hip up maximum and chin touch your chest. Exhale, relax your buttocks. One more time. Inhale, lift your hip up. Hip try to up maximum. Adjust your shoulder and maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax your buttocks. Relax your shoulder. Hug your knee, close your knee and forehead. You can relax your head also, you can close also. Just relax your lower back. So move little left and right. Shake your back. In same position, we do one posture. Same position, lift your hip and try to support your middle back, not lower back. Okay, so look first, then you try. Inhale, lift your hip, then try to support your lower back first, then try to adjust your hand and catch your middle back. Lower back going down, adjust your hand. You can see here, hip up down how much. So try to support your middle back. Now everyone start. Support your middle back and try to both legs straight. You can leg together or separate your leg also okay. So try to expand your chest, leg straight, lock your knee. If possible, then try to toes come on floor. You can repeat more because if one time done, then second time automatically you do better than first time. So relax one time, then repeat again. So lift your body, try to support your middle back, try to support your middle back, and then both legs straight. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If possible, then lift your left leg up. You can bend your knee also, and if possible, then both legs straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg, same position, lift your another leg. You can bend here also, you can leg straight also, and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg, relax your buttocks. If you want to do Karna Pirasana, then come in Karna Pirasana. If Pavan Muktasana, then come in Pavan Muktasana. Just forward bending. So hug your knee, close your knee and forehead. And you can softly move left and right for relax your core, relax your lower back. And next position, continue back bending. So in next position, you drop your crown on floor and catch your leg. So first drop your crown on floor, then catch your leg. No, your nose not go on floor, your face not going like this, your crown is still on floor. Then try to catch your ankle and hip up maximum. Your crown in same position, and then try to hip up as much as possible. Chest try to outside and then hip up. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your body. If any posture you can't do, then just pause video and repeat, continue. Because in my class I see after 3-4 time people can do, and if practitioner have advanced, then can in one time. So if you can't do, pause video and repeat, continue. When you done one posture, then you go in the next posture. Okay, so continue the next posture, same position. Drop your crown on floor, interlock your finger backside without lift your hip, and then try to chest out, leg straight. Look again, your crown come on floor, interlock your finger backside and chest outside, head is still on floor, and then try to leg straight. If after separate leg you can done chest out, leg straight, then close your leg and then try to leg straight, head is still on floor. Maintain in final position, leg together. You can repeat 3-4 times and then come in final position. Maintain in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your left leg up. So first one time relax, try to understand the posture. Chest have outside, finger interlock, and crown is still on floor. This not same like Vrishchikasana. Okay, so your crown have still on floor. Adjust your leg. If your leg have slippery from normal position, you can put you can practice in front of wall then your toes support wall and your leg not slip there, and then easily you can come in final position. Okay, so continue. Now we practice lift our leg one by one. Okay, so come in final position. Leg, first interlock your finger, adjust your position where your position easily you can, and then try to lift your one leg up. Maintain in final position. Both leg try to straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg. Try to leg straight and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Continue. Again you can come in Karnapirasana, then rest. Okay, one time I also go in Karnapirasana. Lift your leg, lift your hip. I don't know I can or not. Okay, relax. Next position, same style, but lift your head up, chest going more outside, and then same leg straight. Same like wheel pose, but elbow have on floor, and then leg straight. Wheel pose and this position, wheel pose going more advanced, and last posture is beginner, and this is intermediate position of both posture. Okay, so continue. We try. I think wheel pose is more easy, and after drop you need to shoulder open more. Okay, but try. Same position, your crown come on floor, drop your elbow, palm on floor, and your both arms equal. You can use block also between your both palm, and then try to lift your head up, chest outside, and try to lock your knee. If separate leg easily you can, then try to close your leg and leg straight. Okay, so you can repeat 3-4 times. Same position, leg together, then leg straight, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. In this position, we try also lift our leg one by one. So you feel in this position, I think all posture we use only middle back, and pressure come on shoulder in some posture. So we use our shoulder, middle back, and a little bit lower back, and some place lower back have relaxed also. So continue the next posture. Lift your leg one by one, drop your elbow on floor, chest outside, adjust your body, chest out, and lift your left leg. You can bend your knee also, you can leg straight also. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg in same position. First maintain this position and then leg straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Same. If you can't do, then pause video and continue. Repeat and repeat. Continue. When you done one posture, then go in next position. And if just you watch video only, then one time you watch, and you can practice later also. Again you can come in Karnapirasana, or you can just twist. Twisting also give relax very fast, so you can twist. Next we do wheel pose. Next we do wheel pose, and the wheel pose also have same style, same position. So first come in wheel pose, normal wheel pose. Lift your body up and nobody try to open leg out. This is easy posture, okay? Everyone can do. So from wheel pose, the normal position, from here try to chest out and then leg straight. If from normal and after separate you can do, then close your leg and then try to chest out. Maintain here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. If you are more flexible, you can close your leg more inside, chest going more out, and that posture looking more beautiful. But I not do too much advance, because some people say I scare after see too much advance. So this is normal position, and I seen just I show this type of posture. You also try and give your best. Continue next position. Lift your leg one by one. Okay. Come in wheel pose. Same position. Normal wheel pose first. From here try to leg straight. Then close your leg together, and lift your one leg. First position and second position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg. First position and second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. I hope everyone understands the all posture. I think this all posture is enough for today. So little bit we do twisting first. Open your arms shoulder level. Lift your left leg. Catch your left toes through the right hand. Drop your left leg. Right side. You can bend your right leg. Catch your leg through the left hand and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg. Same position. Lift your right leg. Catch your right leg through the left hand. Bend your left knee. Catch your left leg through the right hand and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Full relax. In this position, if you want to open your leg in after lifted leg position, you want to open more. First, you do Hanumanasana. Repeat 3-4 times with both legs, and then you can start this all posture. Or when you start to lift your leg, just that time come in Hanumanasana. Repeat 3-4 times. When you think you have warm, then you start your posture in lifted leg. Okay, relax everyone. Move your finger, move your toes, interlock your finger, inhale, stretch your arms over your head, toes outside, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend your elbow, palm behind your head, bend your knee, separate your leg, and continue twist left and right, both sides. Move left side and sit down. I hope everyone enjoy today class. If anybody have any confusion, can contact in comment box, in call, in WhatsApp. You can contact through any type of you can send me mail also. And if anybody want to learn online yoga class, then can contact here. Here have group class also, and you can learn one-to-one also. Okay, so see you in next video. Namaste. Bye bye.